Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi everyone, welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for another edition of Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks, being joined today by Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you today, Jeff?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Love to hear what case you have for me.
So before we do that, I just want to know what kind of feedback you've got on your first tour of duty on Case or No Case last month.
I've gotten some really great feedback, and a lot of people are telling me that they're learning more about the law because of you. So
Good. I'm very glad to hear that.
Absolutely.
Okay, scenario number one. I'm going to teach you a little bit about joint and several liability in Wisconsin.
Okay.
All right? So you are stopped at a red light at an intersection. All right? And so you've got the cross traffic in front of you. They've got a green light. There's a car that is going eastbound and there's a car that's going westbound. So the car is going to go straight, and then there's a car that's making a left turn. The left turn car does not yield the right of way and smashes into the car that was going forward. That pushes that car into you. You're stopped at the stoplight, you didn't do anything wrong, but it's a pretty big crash and you're injured as a result of that. So the car that's making the left turn has no insurance. He's an uninsured motorist, okay? But the car that was going forward does have insurance, okay? So, case or no case for 100% of your injuries against the driver who is going forward who has the insurance.
this is tough, but I would assume there's a case there.
There's a case, but it's probably limited and it's not going to be 100% of your damages. And let me tell you why, okay? In Wisconsin, we have something that's called joint and several liability. And in Wisconsin, if you're 51% at fault, you're 100% responsible for the damages that you caused. So that uninsured motorist who is making the left-hand turn would be 100% at fault for your damages, but that car has no insurance. All right?
Makes sense.
So the car that's going forward does have some fault, maybe 25, 30%. They would be responsible for only 25 to 30% of your damages. So it's partially a case.
That makes sense. Thanks so much, Jeff. And if you want to know if you have a case or no case, just dial the 3s. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.